Okay, today we're going to have a quick look at downloading NetBeans. NetBeans is a IDE, integrated development environment, that can be used to make Java programs. It's the one we're going to use in the project, so that's what I'll have a look at downloading now. So I've just opened up Google. I'm going to type in NetBeans download, and there it's auto completed for me. Now, NetBeans, there's two different types of NetBeans out at the moment, and I'm just going to show you both. Okay, so you've got the old type of NetBeans, which is NetBeans 8.2. okay, and then you've got Apache NetBeans. Apache NetBeans is currently at 11.3. now this is the new one, and this is the one that you might like, but today I'm going to download this one because this is the one that's installed in school. Okay, so I'm going to install this one just now and see how I get on. So NetBeans 8.2, and on here it gives you these different options. Now I personally would often download the all because I want the whole thing. The old NetBeans used to come with C and C++ support and things like that, which I like, but for the project I suggest we download Java SE, this one here, which is a small one, so if you've got a less powerful computer, then it won't take up a lot of space and so on. So I'm going to click on that, download, and it says here your download should start automatically. Now I've got a Mac, so my download is happening right down here at the bottom, and you can see it's taking about a minute, so it shouldn't take too long to download. Okay, and we can see now it's just downloaded. It's finished downloading here. If I click on that, it will start opening it. And that gives me this installer. It will be different for a PC, but just go through the steps. And with this installer package, it should be okay. It should be nice and easy to do. Don't try and download binaries and things like that. Stick to installer packages. I'll show you an example of that in a second. So I'm going to click continue. Continue. You can read the software license agreement. Continue. Agree. I don't change the install location. It will install into my hard drive. It's now given me a request for my password. That's just my login for my home computer. Yeah, you should be doing this on your home computer. And then it's writing the files. Now what I will say is, sometimes when you first install NetBeans, it will then say you need to install the Java development kit as well. On some occasions it comes with it, sometimes it doesn't. My computer's already got it installed, so I won't see any warnings. If it tells you to do that, then you just do exactly what it says, and it will provide you with links and so on. But you can see this has been really easy to do. Okay, so now it says the installation was successful, the software was installed. I'm going to close that. On a Mac, it says, do you want to move the NetBeans 8.2 RC installer to the bin? And I am going to move it to the bin because I don't need it anymore. So it should be installed. Just before I test the software, I'm just going to mention, so okay, I typed NetBeans download, and I went to this one here, which is netbeans.org. That's the old stuff. Yeah, it's the one that we use at school at the moment. And that's I recommend using that so that you don't have any problems when you're working at home and working at school. If you happen to want the new one as well, it's a new company, but a different company called Apache. Apache now own and run and maintain NetBeans. It's still free, it's always free, yeah. And we're up to Apache NetBeans 11.3. okay. I will just show you this on here. Apache NetBeans 11 update 3. If I go to download on here, now on here it's got lots of things which are like bin, and so there's a binary and source. I go to the installers. This is the easy way to do it. If you're running Windows, there's the installer there. For me, I'm running Mac, so it's the Mac OS X DMG that I click on here. Yeah, as I say, you don't need that for the schoolwork. You might just want it because you want to have the latest version, and that's fine. Okay, next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to actually run NetBeans. It's a little sort of cube icon. Okay, so that's NetBeans 8.2 downloaded, and it's running perfectly fine. I mentioned a JDK previously. It's actually it's part of this package, so you shouldn't have that problem. So next thing we'll be doing in the next video is we'll be using this to make a program. See you later.